Boy, it's good, car crew. This is an unexpected POV, but hey, we doing a POV with me and my partner. Me and my partner AJ, man. You know what I'm saying? I know AJ, the world famous scat pack. You know what I mean? And it's not your regular one. You feel me? Boy, good, car crew, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? Oh. But yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. Me and my boy. I'm try to record. Sticker. Woo. Again, don't mind my steering wheel. Let me get that right. Me and him finna go to the shop right quick. Y'all see my boy though, cuz. They cockpit different, bro. I gotta get used to recording in the Challenger. I see my boy, man. Hey. I see us in that cat thing, man. A little quick POV drive. Oh, that's a little traffic right now. Well, I'm just getting a little footage for y'all, boy. Probably get added in somewhere else. I don't even think they're gonna be a whole POV. I'm gonna start doing video like, if I ain't got enough for one video, bro, I'm gonna put two videos together, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start coming a little different. Y'all boys, just give me y'all boys some kind of grade A quality, you know what I'm saying? Somewhere. Y'all boys just listen to the one. Hold on, let me roll the window. I know it's a little, I'll roll that window up. Probably a little windy in here. No, I got a roof pot, man. Feel me? But yeah, man. Just wanted to get that in, bro. We ain't really doing enough real traffic. We just going to the shop right quick. You know what I'm saying? Running some errands for the cat. You feel me? But yeah, y'all. But I just want to turn the camera on a little bit, man. It felt good just riding with my partner hearing that loud thing, made that noise. Man. I ain't loud no more, car crew. So hey, I'm just fast now. You feel me? Fast like car, ugly ass. But yeah, man. That's it, y'all, boy. But we'll tune back in, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys just don't know when this part on me and what part of the video I do. But y'all boys, you feel me? This is just something I throw in there, but you know what I'm saying? We'll be back. Yeah. Boy, car crew, but I had to turn y'all on, bro. Look at this. That's crazy. Dang, I hold that straight, bro. Bro, car crew, that's crazy, boy. I hold that straight, boy. But what the nigga, how? Nigga, how? Man, that boy car sound good, boy. But dang, boy, that's crazy, bro. I hold that straight, man. Lord be with him, bro. That's, bro, how? Right there? How? Dang, Lord, bro. Continue to protect me everywhere I go, man. For real, I hold they straight, man. Everybody's straight other than the car. You feel me? The car don't really matter. But dang, bro, that's crazy. I had to show y'all that car crew on the way we were going. Cause I was not expecting that, bro. I was like, what the world? But yeah, that's crazy. I just had to show y'all boy that right quick, though. All right, car crew. We just made it to, we just, you know what I'm saying, rolled down the road for a few little minutes. But y'all look at this mud, man. You know what I'm saying? Tastes like candy. But yeah, this nigga, I ain't even record. This nigga, bro, this nigga car sound so good, man. He was just, he ain't never like the exhaust, bro. I ain't gonna lie. That one thing I can't say, car crew, bro. Y'all let me know, bro. Scats, bro. And this a nigga that had RT scats, and now I got a cat, bro. Scat sound better than Hellcat, bro. Exhaust wise, bro. I don't care what nobody tell you. That mud, bro. I'm telling you. Cuz Scat Pack sound better than Hellcat, bro. I think everybody know that already. But I'm just saying. Though. Hellcats for sure. Hellcats for sure sound much better. My fault. I ain't even. I need to put my e-brake on, but it's a little dip right here. I feel like this how coupe boys be. Dang, the e-brake don't work. Oh, so don't pay me out now. You that bit one time. But yeah, man. But yeah, nah, Scat sound way better than Hellcat, bro. Exhaust wise, like that mud just so beefy, like. That junk crazy. That junk OD crazy. I see my boy AJ though, man. Cleanest Scat in the city. You know what I'm saying? Simplicity but hard. And look how lowered that bit is. Can't even put a quarter in that bit. Bro, I ain't gonna, bro, no glazing, bro. Your car sounds so, when you was just tapping that bit for a long way, I ain't even record that part. I said, boy, that bit sounds so good. I said, boy, I damn near missed the loud life already. I couldn't even hear my wine, man. That bit sounds so good, boy. But I can't do it, bro. Not yet, bro. I can't make that bit loud yet, bro. I want that. I just like that wine. Cause see, now I'm on some fast done. I want to, you know what I'm saying, make that bit fast. That bit hard. No, I'm saying like, cause you got like a wine, you know what I'm saying. But he next though, y'all boy. Just wait, that nigga next. I know he is. That nigga next, bro.
I be clean, bro.
Oh yeah, this your first time seeing it in the daytime. Yeah. That's your first time seeing it in the daytime. Yeah, boy. I should have told BJ to drive the cat. I always should have told you. That bit hard. What is it? Oh, this I forgot what you called it. That bit hard. Ooh. That bit pressure. Talking about this?
It's old school too.
Oh, that bit got a whipping on it?
No, not
Oh. That bit hard. That boy got that Capri. Man, they just cut the grass. I ain't gonna step all in that bit, but yeah, that bit. Ooh, that bit hard, boy. White interior, bro. You only can drive that on the weekend. I ain't gonna lie. You can't even eat that bit. You must be talking about that one. Yeah, that bit a little hard from right here. They got a whipping on it. Damn. And BJ do performance too?
What's going on?
What's going on, BJ? Little car crew, man. Do what I was talking about. Do what my daddy got, but the 12. That's the old one he had. Right here, bro. If it's the right one. It gotta be a certain one, like the competition kind. You get them, bro, 212. Talking about that mother go stupid. But yeah, car crew, bro. AJ. What? Oh yeah. DD. See, I got DD, but they ain't green. They must change the color. Mine red. My DD. Yeah, the old, I'm the OG one here. They the 600 series. Look at AJ, man. That man trying to get me to put some stereo in the cat. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I was playing a song by Gunna, bro. The slugs in the back sound like it's something. We gotta hit it, bro. That joint crazy, bro. I was like, oh, nah, that's crazy. Man, why they ain't so big for no reason? It ain't gotta be that big, bro. It be hands like this big that got the same power they be getting.
I be at like 8,000.
But that's something you put in a humid stadium. Yeah. But nah, this shot OD smooth though. Like, and it roomy. That boy got some trophies over there. I should put this in the camera. Nah, I put this in that bit. You know it's a good speaker when a cone like this, bro. Or like this right here. Especially these. I want to see how them sound in person. I ain't never heard no sound down. They is, bro. They be. Yeah, know what I'm saying? They be flexing, bro. Yeah, but that's crazy. Ooh, that's crazy. Ooh. Car crew, y'all ain't rocking with this, but I don't think the cat can do nothing with that bitch. And that bitch be here, sitting on 4G. Crazy. It be hard. Cuz finna get that mother redone. But yeah, what y'all think about the old school, bro? Cuz go whip 'em. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats once again, man. Back with a video, as y'all can see. starting the video. Goodness gracious. Starting the video here, man, before I get to where I'm going, man, to my destination. Cause y'all can see, depending on what I named the title of this video, and you know how long the video is, this gonna be all one video or added into another video. But we're going to a photo shoot, man, for anime right here. You know what I'm saying? The Hellcat. I think I'm gonna call it Hellcat anime. I got another name, but right now we're gonna stick with anime, and then if I don't like it, we're gonna switch to the other one. I like both of them, but I just like anime because it's just something that people gonna ask me why I call it that, and then, you know, it's a good little reasoning about it. But yeah, we in anime today, man. You know what I'm saying? As always, since I got her, but but yeah, we finna go to this photo shoot, man. Get a photo shoot done. I gotta schedule a photo shoot for my baby, man, so we can have some good, nice pictures to pop out on Instagram. So if y'all want to see those pictures, man, follow my Instagram at 707 Car. You feel me? My car page. That used to be 392 Car. It's 707 Car now. Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Tap in, get your boy right. Trying to get my socials up. You know what I'm saying? Get my socials to match my YouTube following. So y'all boy transfer over there, man. That's why I be more active over there. I respond more. You feel me? All that good stuff, behind the scenes stuff, just random. Sometimes I go live, but you know, I ain't that cool, so nobody don't join my live. But you feel me? Y'all boy just, you know what I'm saying? Just tap in over there with your boy, man. I know y'all be on Instagram way more than y'all be on YouTube. So y'all boy just do that for me. But I just wanted to show that part right here. I'm not going to record the whole way there, because I'm going to be using the GPS a little bit. But I just want to get this little part in. I'm going to record the behind the scenes, probably try to get a little B-roll. A little different kind of video for y'all, boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Just vlogging and just being, you know what I'm saying? Showing the life of a Hellcat owner. You know what I'm saying? So y'all boys are going to tag along with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show y'all who taking my picture. Probably shot my boy out. He took pictures of Olivia. The other pictures I got on my car page, like them rollers. But y'all want to see what kind of work he do. He only done got better from here, from then, so. You know what I'm saying? But you know, he took my pictures last time, so I'm going to get him to take them again. But this time with the cat, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we will tap back in with y'all, boy, when I get there. Y'all see car crew, man. A little behind the scenes.
Is there anything you don't like about it?
Shoot, but I ain't gonna lie, I don't think so. I don't think so, man. I think everything pretty checked out so far. Obviously, you know, one day get a little faster. Stuff like that. That just come with the lifestyle.
Build it, port the blower, stuff like that.
Yeah, do a little tune. Stuff like that. It's looking good, though. Just hit it with some of this little stuff right here. My boy getting me right, man. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Standing up in the shade. Oh, hold on, car crew. Yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. On a little back road. Get some footage, getting y'all boy behind the scenes. Probably get some cinematics. Just make this video a little more interesting. But yeah, man. Try to get these B-roll right quick. Y'all don't see it in me, I ain't do that good.
Wait, who the fuck is Talby?
But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? We get in the car, get some photos. It's just something crazy. I know I got my glasses on with Professor Beats in the building. But we just getting a little photo shoot, man. Hope these turn out good, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Told y'all I'm gonna come a little bit more correct. So y'all boys just stay tuned. They're gonna be probably thrown in somewhere. Put 2 videos into one. It's a different day. You know what I'm saying? We on that grind, man. Y'all boy hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, you feel me? On the road to 20K. Get your boy to 20K the quick way. Looks like y'all got a little smudge on y'all, boy. Be still, nigga. Be still.